Oke, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As usual, it's me, Adres Kemalana, back at you again with another politics video. Politics, history, ideologies. That's all my channel is about right now. Today I'm going to talk about a World War II era politics. Not history, just politics. You know, I like politics. Even though I'm an IT student, I always like politics since I was a child. Wait a minute. Hmm. Politics has a place in my heart for a long time now, and because of that, I like to teach people about politics, history, politics. You can like a year ago I made an online class about World War II history. Teaching about the uh, Western Front, Italy, Nazi Germany, and Japan. Like as usual. But today I'm going to talk about politics, not history. I'm going to talk about puppet states. Puppet states, colony, dominion, collaborationist government, and like a state controlled government. For example, like Dutch East Indies before being Indonesia. Indonesia was Dutch East Indies, a Dutch colony. For example, let's talk about Vichy France. Vichy France is or regime de France. I learned about I learned French, a little bit of French. The regime de France, uh, the German occupied France was divided into two: the Vichy France and the German integrated France. And then the Vichy France was led by Louis Pétain. This guy right here. Not Louis, Philippe Pétain. I forgot. And then there is a Reich Commissariat or Reich Kommissar. Reich Commissariat is like Riyadh. It's like a puppet government. So basically, a puppet government is not an integrated or like a colony, as if you might say, a colony of the German Reich Commissariat is like Indonesia. Indonesia was not a Dutch. It's not like a Dutch territories. It's an independent but controlled by the Dutch. So basically, puppet state is a state-controlled government, not independent, but it's controlled. There is a dominion. Do you know Dominion of Canada? Dominion of Canada is once a British puppet, not puppet. Dominion and puppet is different. And British Raj. Yes, British Raj is India. Before it becomes India, it was British Raj. Dutch East Indies. All of them were puppet states, controlled by the occupier, but not integrated into the countries, but instead become an independent one and controlled directly by the Dutch. Just like that. In Germany, there is a Reich Commissariat Ukraine, Reich Commissariat Ostland, Reich Commissariat, I don't know, I forgot the name. And then there is a puppet state, Norway, Reich Commissariat Norwegian is Norway, Reich Commissariat Norway, which is controlled directly by the German Reich. And British Malaya. British Malaya is Malaysia. And we have Hong Kong. Hong Hong Kong. Sorry. And Hong Kong is a puppet state of UK. Once a puppet state of UK. Philippine is a puppet state of the US. United States once controlled Philippines. Basically, all of Asia has been colonized except for Vietnam. No. Vietnam was once a puppet state of the USSR. There's a lot of puppet states in the world, but now there is not much because colonialism is banned by the UN. So when there's a war, there's a treaty signed between the defeated government and the aggressor. The aggressor can choose to integrate the country or make them a puppet. If they choose to make them a puppet, they are independent but in a direct control of the aggressor government. But if they choose to integrate them, they will become the core territory of the aggressor. For example, if Malaysia was attacked by Indonesia, if the Indonesia decided to puppet Malaysia, it will become an independent state, for example Indonesian Malaya, and then they will have an independent government, but it will be controlled and supervised by Indonesia. But if Indonesia decided to integrate Malaysia as once in the Majapahit Empire, it will become one part of the government. One part. It will become a core state of Indonesia. This politics stuff is really confusing. I know. But once you learn about it, you will get a hold of it. If you know much, it will be fun. Poland is a party. Yes, a party by the Polish government, and it can be puppeted by the German Reich, but the German Reich decided to take all of the state of Poland. So it's basically just colonialism light. So there is a integrated puppet, a colony, and a dominion. Each one has its cons and pros. I forgot what I'm going to talk about now, but that is basically it. In the meantime, let's talk about something else. Yeah, this is really confusing this time around. Let's talk about our feelings. Right? Yeah, it's kind of confusing. It's kind of in a hard time. I got an English assignment, multimedia assignment, and IT assignment. Oh, it's really hard for me. But it's okay. It's life. Life has its ups and downs. You gotta experience the downs before the ups. Am I right? It's really not that confusing, but it's just hard for me. So that's all from me. Stay at home. Take care of yourself. Study hard. Maybe you could become a politician. Maybe you could become a historian. Maybe. It's all in God's hand. Okay, it's all the time I have. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Where is the stop button?